Hey guys, in this full guide, I'll show you how to speed up video editing in DaVinci Resolve in 2026. So whether you edit YouTube videos, gaming content, cinematic projects, or short-form videos, yeah, improving your workflow can save a lot of editing time and make the process much smoother. First, organize your clips, music, sound effects, and assets into folders before importing them into DaVinci Resolve. One of the biggest time savers is learning keyboard shortcuts. Shortcuts for cutting, trimming, playback, and zooming can speed editing up dramatically. To avoid losing progress, enable auto save and live save from the project settings. Render cache can help smooth playback for heavy effects and color grading while editing. For large projects, faster storage, more RAM, and a stronger GPU can greatly improve editing speed. To keep projects lightweight, delete unused clips, cache files, and unnecessary effects regularly. And that's basically how to speed up video editing in DaVinci Resolve in 2026. With a better workflow, shortcuts, optimized media, and organized projects, you can edit videos much faster and more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.